Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. First of all, thank you for loving my last video so much. It was about my weight loss journey for those of you who don't know. And I'm so elated with your response to my video, guys, that I am definitely going to take it into a series. And today's video is all about a get ready with me. I'm going for a friend's birthday. So I've made this cutesy bun and I'm wearing this amazing red dress and I've done this subtle beautiful makeup look. So if you want to learn this, keep on watching. Before anything, it's showreel time. Show how you can do your curls. This is a get ready with me video. So now I've taken a section. I'm going to use my finger, divide it into half because I want a little tight curls and my hair are really long, so curls won't stick if I do big sections. So I'm taking a very thin section. This is my iconic curler और ये मैंने 210 डिग्री पे किया है क्योंकि मुझे फास्ट करने हैं और थोड़ा मेरे को लॉन्ग स्टे के लिए चाहिए. तो मैंने मैक्सिमम हीट पे किया हुआ है, बट यू कैन एडजस्ट इट. द हीट लेवल इज 180 डिग्री to 210. So ये मैंने पूरा रोल किया है. I will wait for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And look at that. ये मेरा कर्ल है और ये properly set हो जाएगा. This is how it has turned out. And मुझे थोड़ा कोई और हेयर स्टाइल करना है, but I'm just going to show you how I am doing my curls and then I'll show you the way I do my hair. I'm going to complete my curls and see you in a bit. I'm using my trusted photo finish primer to apply on my face as a base, and I've applied it on all open areas. Next, I am taking this Naked palette. This is the Ultimate Basics by Urban Decay, and I've taken a brown tone and smudged it into my crease line to give it a more definition, and it's a beautiful brown shade, neutral brown shade, to define your crease line further. I'm using it on both the eyes, and now we are going to shift to the next step. I'm taking another fluffy brush and I'm taking a very nude beigeish kind of color. I'm actually mixing two colors and I'm putting it on the lid area to give it a nice wide-eyed look. I want my eyes to look pop open and wide, so I'm making my eyelid area a little lighter so that they are starkly visible from a distance. And again I am going back in with the brown color in the crease line so that we have a very gradual, beautiful done look. Now I'm taking this Keto Beauty eyeshadow stick and I'm applying it on the inner corner of my eyes, and you can see how my inner corner has suddenly started popping out. And now I'm taking this My Glam palette to add some highlight on my brow bone area, and it looks oh so beautiful. I love the way it is looking. This brown look has turned out so pretty the way I wanted. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal Brow Artist and I am filling my eyebrows in. They look pretty and beautiful. I love the way they're looking currently, and they add so much definition to your face. I'm using the spool. This brush is from Pack if I'm not wrong, so it has an angled brush to draw the eyebrow strokes, and then it has a spoolie to set the brow hair in place, and it looks so gorgeous. I love the way my brows look currently. They're so angular and they've defined my face shape in a beautiful way. Now I am taking concealer number 12 from Try Sugar and I am just going to conceal the required areas, and then we are just going to use it on the areas wherever I require, and I am going to blend it in. I'm using this foundation brush to blend it everywhere. Again, I'm taking this dark maroon shade for my under eye area to just highlight my eyes a little more and add a little more dimension to it, and I am applying it under my eye region. It looks very pretty and I love the way it has turned out. Applying a dark color on the under eye area makes your eye color appear lighter and it enhances your eyes further. And now I'm just going to smudge this color a little, and this is going to define your eyes further. It looks so beautiful. I am taking this dry sugar banana powder to set my under eyes, and so that the concealer that we've used doesn't crease, because I'm not applying any foundation. I'm just setting everything in place. I'm baking using this powder, so if you can see, I've applied it under my cheekbone area and under my eyes, and a little bit also around my nose region. So this is going to help us bake the face, and that is going to be about it. I will not keep the bake for very long because it does not work well for my skin. Now I'm taking this bronzer and I am applying it on my cheeks. I am not going to do a blush and a contour today. I'm just going to bronze my face for a very sultry look. This is a Made in Italy bronzer and it is very beautiful. It's in the shade 03. I love the way it looks on my Indian skin tone, like a warm skin tone, and this makes my face look further gorgeous. I am also going to use it a little to contour on my face and around my nose and cheek area and even my jawline. So yeah, we are going to keep blending till we get a satisfactory result. Now I'm going to use the same powder brush and dust off the entire bake that we did. So yeah, I'm just dusting it off and you can see my base is looking beautiful. Now I am taking a Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara to apply on my eyelashes, and wow, I love the result of this particular product. Look at the difference between both my eyes. This mascara does wonders for me. I love it. This is my Grwm mascara. Oh, sorry for the blooper, but I just had to clean that out. And now I'm going to completely touch it. Now I'm using the Nykaa brow mascara and I'm just setting my brows in place. I love the way, for a day-to-day look also I use this brow mascara, but I don't fill in them. Now I'm using NYX setting spray and I'm just setting my entire face. I'm going to let that soak in. For my lipstick, I'm using this Forever 52 lipstick. It's beautiful and makes my lips look beautiful. But I am not very satisfied with the color, so we are going to mix it with another shade, which is again from Made in Italy, and this is a maroonish brown shade. I'm just going to dab it a little and I'm going to blend it with my fingers and get the perfect lip color that I want. So this is going to turn out beautifully, don't you worry guys. Now I'm just going to blend this in and look at that color. It is gorgeous, just gorgeous, simply. And now I am taking this Lotus limited edition lip gloss and I am going to dab it on my lips. Look at that beauty. It's shining. It's my knight in shining armor. It's so pretty. Look at the lips, they look luscious thanks to this beautiful lip gloss. I've been using it for years and it has been one of my favorite Lotus products ever. For my bun, I am taking some U-pins. I have half parted my hair and I've tied a bun in half of my hair. Now I'm taking the corner sections and placing it randomly on that bun, and I am crisscrossing them. So I am dividing the leftover hair into two halves, as you can see, Now I am going to twist it and put it across opposite sides. So I'm twisting the first section and placing it over the little bun that we created. And similarly, I'm going to repeat the step. I am going to take the leftover section and I'm going to place it over the bun. And now we are going to secure it with some U-pins. And you can see my messy bun is almost ready. This is the quickest and easiest way to do a messy bun. Look at that. My bun looks flawless. It looks beautiful. It looks messy, young and chic. So this is how my bun is currently looking. Of course, we are going to do some touch-ups with it. So yeah, I'm just going to secure it well so that even if I dance through the party, it is not going to do any wrong to my bun. Even though it's a messy bun, but look at that, it makes me look so put together, and I am loving the outcome of this bun. So I have tied my hair in a random bun using all the curls. I have not demonstrated that because I wasn't sure if you guys would be interested. Now I'm using this accessorized neck piece to fill my look in, and look at the final look. It is there. Oh, so pretty. I feel like a model. I don't know, I felt like saying it, but it makes me look amazing. I love today's look. This is just absolutely my kind of makeup look. Also, this is what my dress looks like. It is from Zara. Even these heels are from Zara. I'm going to pair this up with a Michael Kors bag, and that's it for today's video. If you like such videos, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Mwah. Bye.